All right, so maybe you have it all figured out, but you're doing a few things that are just ruining the way you look. In this video, I'm gonna break down 5 things that I want you to stop doing that is completely destroying your look. These 5 things are gonna take you to the next level. They're gonna make you more confident. You're gonna feel a lot better. At number 1, bro, you're not moisturizing. You're walking around with dry skin during the day. Your skin is flaking all over everybody. Moisturizing your face and body is actually going to prevent these things from happening. You're not going to have that dry and flaky skin. Now, not only does it not look good, but you're actually causing it to be itchy and you're going to be very uncomfortable. Your skin eventually might even lead to cracking and bleeding. So if you're already living in a very dry area, like I'm from Canada, so it's very cold here. So if I don't do this and take the extra step in moisturizing my skin, I'm going to look and feel uncomfortable. I'll be honest, in my early 20s, I probably didn't care a lot about this stuff, but ever since I started, watching a lot of people on YouTube speak about these things and actually influencing me into doing these things. And on this channel, my goal is to get you further ahead than I was in my early 20s. Moisturizing your body is also gonna minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now, when your skin is dry, these things become more visible. You're gonna be able to see the fine lines and wrinkles if you're not moisturizing. The whole goal here is to keep the skin hydrated. Just like you drink water, can you go a whole day without drinking water? No, you're gonna become uncomfortable. Your mouth's gonna be dry. Your whole body is just gonna be dehydrated. Your body's not gonna be moisturized. So why would you do the same thing with your skin? Why wouldn't you take care of yourself and hydrate your skin properly throughout the day? Now, next up on the list is, bro, you're taking too long in the shower. You're spending too much time in the shower with the hot water. Now, I know it feels good to go into a hot shower and sit there for 10-15 minutes, but this is absolutely destroying your look. Now, going back to skin, this is completely drying out your entire body. So now, not only if you're not doing the first part, this is even ruining your chances of having moisturized skin because you're already staying in the shower for 10 minutes. Now, hot water can cause inflammation in your skin, which will lead to redness, itchiness, and even cause your skin to look swollen. Now, spending time in the shower and using hot water will actually cause you time and it will actually drain energy from you. And what happens when you're running low on energy throughout the day? You just look bad. You don't feel good. You don't feel as confident. So already you're starting off the day on the wrong foot by staying in the shower. The hot water is draining your energy, so it's not good. All right, bro, so it's 2023. You still have the same hairstyle that you've been rocking the past 5 to 10 years. Dude, you've been rocking the same hairstyle now for way too long. You need to change it up. You need to give yourself something to look forward to. You need some new excitement in your life. Now, coming from personal experience, I want you to hear me out for a second. I've had every single hairstyle that you could think of. I used to have my hair long. I used to have my hair in a man bun. I used to have the faux hawk, and now I have the shaved head. Now, let me tell you, when you are changing your hairstyles and you're trying new things, you're actually gonna find out what you really love on yourself, what you really feel the most confident in. And to be honest with you, I always felt the best with a shaved head, but I haven't shaved my head probably in 12 years. I was probably doing this probably when I was like 12 years old. So I'm gonna be 26 this year. And this was a very long time ago. More of the story is you actually don't know until you try something and actually take a chance and do it. This could make you feel more put together and more confident. Now, if you've ever been feeling down lately on your appearance, the best way is to go get a fresh haircut, go get your beard lined up. And let's say you don't have a beard, but you usually shave, go for a fresh shave. It is the biggest confidence boost. You guys know, you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys follow me on TikTok, you see how much pride I take in actually taking care of my hair. Now, as men age, the texture and thickness of our hair starts to change. Now, having said that, in my opinion, as I'm gonna be getting older, I'm probably gonna be sticking with a shorter haircut so my hair looks a lot thicker and more fresh. Now, something else that could be ruining your look is not doing your beard or taking care of your facial hair. Having a well-groomed beard can greatly enhance your appearance and overall style. But it's not just all about growing facial hair, it's actually keeping it tidy and well-trimmed. If you're someone that doesn't grow facial hair and you don't like having a beard, then actually maintain keeping your face nice and clean. If you're someone that has, maybe patchy face with facial hair, I would suggest just taking it off completely. Like, I know for myself, if I couldn't fully grow a beard, I would probably just shave my face completely and let everyone see my facial features. I believe doing so, you just give more of a polished, clean look. You're gonna give off more of a professional vibe. You're gonna give off that Christian Bale look, Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt. You're gonna give off that professional and clean, sleek look. Just by doing so and tidying up your beard, you're actually gonna elongate your facial structure. It's gonna make it look like you have more of a jawline. Now, even for those of you that can't grow a beard or grow facial hair, keeping your face clean is gonna always accentuate and elongate your jawline. So if you're sitting there right now and you're watching this video, and previously what I said about if you can't really grow facial hair and is a bit more patchy, but let's say you actually don't mind that. Let's say you're like, hey, you know what? I like having my facial hair and I wanna grow. What can you do? So by actually tightening up your facial hair and keeping it together, it's actually gonna make it look like and give the illusion that you have a fuller beard. So even if it is patchy, you're not even gonna be able to tell. All right, so this next one here is a no-brainer. Bro, you need to get a pair of new shoes. You've been wearing the same shoes, the same white pair of sneakers for 5 years. They're dirty, the laces are dirty. I want you to go to the store, throw those ones out, and buy yourself a fresh pair of white sneakers. This is absolutely destroying the way you look. You don't have to break the bank in buying a pair of shoes for $500, $300. There's great shoes at H&M, Zara that you can buy for even $40 to $50. And I guarantee once you make this step and actually caring about what you have on your body, it's gonna make you feel and look so much better. Now I guarantee when you do buy a pair of shoes like this, you're gonna be able to wear them a lot more. You're gonna be able to actually style them with your more dapper outfits because you have a fresh new pair of shoes. You're gonna have the ability to style this with your suit, with your more casual chino pants, and even with your sweatpants. You're gonna have endless options because the shoe is actually clean and is new. Now guys, my whole goal on this channel is to make you feel and look your best. So if I have done that in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as I'm posting content like this every single week. And I don't want you guys to miss it as I'm growing this community, as I love talking about fashion, lifestyle, grooming. So join me and I'll see you on the next video.